Welcome to Isvara Wellness Studio. Today we have a quick morning energizing flow which helps you to wake up your body in the morning. And this sequence works beautifully in the evening if you want to move before you wind down for the day. You don't need any equipment, and whenever you're ready, let's get started. Come into a comfortable seated position. Let your spine be tall, shoulders soft, and relax away from the ears, and your hands resting gently on your knees. Take a moment to close the eyes and simply arrive. Let the breath settle and let the body find its stillness, and give yourself full permission to be here for your practice today. Gently open your eyes as we begin our practice. Bring your both hands together in front of the chest with the fingers interlaced. On your inhale, take both arms straight up overhead. Feel the whole length of the side body lifting as the arms rise. On your exhale, bring the arms back down. Let's do that a few more times. Inhale, the arms rise overhead. Exhale, they come back down. Continue one more time and allow the breath to completely lead the movement. Inhale to rise your arm up. Exhale down. One more time up. And now stay here at the top, releasing your interlace. Reach through the fingertips. Feel the whole side body lifting. Take a big inhale here, and as you exhale, bring your right hand to the left knee and left fingertips behind the left hip. Inhale to grow tall. Exhale to gently rotate to the left. Gaze follows over the left shoulder. Take one deep breath here. And then back to center. As you reach your arms up, inhale. Exhale, let's switch our side. Left hand to right knee, right fingertips behind. Inhale to tall. Exhale to twist. Take one deep breath here. Inhale, return to center as you reach your both arms up. This time, drop your right palm beside your right hip, reaching your left arm up and over to the right. Keeping your both sit bones grounded, feel your left rib expand. Stay here, take one deep breath. Inhale back to center. Exhale, drop your left palm down beside your left hip. Inhale, lengthen through your right side and take your right arm over to the left. Feel the stretch along the right side of your body and breathe here. Inhale back to center. Exhale, release your hands down, resting on your knees. Now bring your right hand to the back of the head, finger resting lightly. On your inhale, open the right elbow wide to the side, letting the chest open and the upper back gently extend as you breathe in. On your exhale, begin to round through the spine and draw the right elbow toward the left knee. Then inhale to open back out and exhale to round and draw in again. Let's do it two more times. Find a gentle rhythm with the breath and continue. One last time. Inhale to draw back. Exhale to round your spine and tap your elbow to the knee. And gently release your hand as we switch our side. Bring your left hand to the back of the head now. Inhale to open the elbow wide. Exhale to round and draw toward the right knee. Let's do it three more times, keeping the movement smooth and unhurried throughout. Last time. Now return to center and release your hand down. From here, make your way onto all fours, bringing the wrist directly under the shoulders and the knees under the hips. Spread the fingers wide and press evenly through the whole palm. As you inhale, drop your belly down, open your chest forward, and gaze lifts gently. Exhale, press into the mat, round through the whole spine, chin toward chest. Continue moving with the breath. Inhale into cow, exhale into cat, and take your time with each movement, letting the pose find its full expression before you move on. Two more rounds at your own pace. Slowly return to neutral tabletop position. Now on your next inhale, reach the right arm up toward the ceiling, opening the chest. As you exhale, slide that right arm underneath the left and thread it through until the right shoulder and the right side of the head come to rest on the mat. Stay here for one deep breath, feeling the upper back and the thoracic spine releasing. Now, as you inhale, unwind and bring the right arm back to the sky before returning to tabletop. Now take the same movement on the left side. Inhale the left arm up, exhale, thread it under. Rest your head on the mat and take one deep breath here. Then inhale, unwind, reach your left arm up and come back to tabletop. Now from here, walk your palms forward, tuck the toes and press the hips up and back to downward facing dog. Keep a slight bend into your knees, landing through your spine. Begin to pedal through the feet, bending one knee as the other heel presses down, letting the calves and the back of the legs wake up. Let both feet settle, and as you inhale, lift the right leg up toward the ceiling, coming into three-legged dog. Now bend the right knee and draw the heel in toward the right hip, feeling the stretch through the front of the right thigh. Now straighten the leg, and as you exhale, step the right foot forward between the hands. Bring your back knee lower to the mat. Stay on the fingertips, or bring the palms to rest on the front knee. Or take the arms all the way up and arch gently back if you are feeling open. Inhale to lift the chest. Exhale to sink the hips forward and down. Be there. Now plant your left hand down on the inside of the right foot. Tuck your back foot, lift your back knee off the ground, and as you inhale, sweep the right arm up toward the ceiling, rotating through the chest and the upper spine. Let the gaze follow the right hand upward and breathe into the openness across the front of the chest. Now bring your right hand back inside of the right foot and walk your right foot out toward the outer edge of the mat. Both hands inside the right foot. Now begin to rock the hips gently forward and back, exploring the full range of movement available in the hip today. Now take your right leg back and press into downward facing dog. Take one full breath here. Let's move into the left side. Inhale the left leg up to the ceiling. Bend the knee and draw the heel toward the left hip for a breath, feeling the front of the left thigh stretch. Straighten the leg and now exhale and bring the left foot forward between the hands. Back knee comes down. Fingertips frame the left foot or maybe up on top of your left knee. Or if you feel open today, reach your arms up and gently arch your back. Breathe here and notice whether the sides feel different to the right. The body is never perfectly symmetrical, and that's completely normal. On your next exhale, place your right hand inside the left foot. Tuck your right toes, lifting right knee off the ground. Inhale, and the left arm sweeps up toward the ceiling. Chest opens, spine rotates, and gaze follows the left hand upward. Take one deep breath here. Exhale, bring the left hand down inside of your left foot. Walk the left foot out toward the outer edge of the mat, both hands inside. Begin to rock the hips forward and back, exploring the hip joint on this side. And now from here, press back to downward dog and take one full breath here. Let everything settle before we move to standing. Now bring your both legs forward as you inhale, flatten your back, look forward, exhale, bring a generous bend into both knees, take hold of opposite elbows and simply hang here for a breath, letting the weight of the head and the upper body release completely, maybe swaying side to side or holding still. Release the arms, bring the hands down and slowly roll yourself up through the spine, stacking one vertebra at a time with the head coming up very last. Come to stand in Tadasana. Take one full breath here. Now turn your right foot back, bringing your legs about 3 to 4 feet wide. Hands on your waist and stand tall. Now turn your right foot facing towards the right side of your mat. Extend your arms out, palm facing down. Inhale, and as you exhale, bend the right knee directly over the right ankle. Right arm forward, left arm back, and gaze over the right fingers. Take one deep breath here, rotate through both feet. Exhale, bring your right forearm resting on the right thigh. Left arm sweeps up and over the ear, creating one long diagonal line from the outer left foot to the left fingertips. One breath here and feel your left ribs expanding as you inhale. Slowly return to warrior two and this time flip the right palm, inhale the right arm back and up, left hand slides gently down the back leg. Chest opens and take one deep breath here. Now straighten the front leg and bring both feet to face the long edge of the mat. Feet wide, toes parallel and slightly turned in. Hands to the hips. Inhale to lengthen the spine and slightly arch back. Exhale to hinge forward. Hands to the mat beneath the shoulders. Press your palms down. Inhale to lengthen your spine one more time. Exhale, let your head hang heavy here. Pressing firmly into your feet. Feel your inner thighs, your hamstrings releasing. Take one deep breath here. Inhale to rise back up. Bring your hands to the hips, pressing firmly into your feet. Lift yourself up. Now from here, turn the left foot to face the left side of the mat. Back foot slightly in. Arms extend out to the side. Exhale and bend the left knee over the left ankle. Gaze over the left fingers and take one deep breath here, rooting through both feet. Exhale, bring your left forearm to the left thigh, right arm sweeps up and over the ear. One deep breath and feel the expansion in your right ribs as you breathe. Back to warrior two and flip the left palm and bring the left arm back and up as you inhale. Right hand slides down the back leg. One deep breath. Inhale back to warrior two. Straighten your left leg and bring your left foot in. Hands on your waist. And slowly bring your feet together, keeping them a little wider than the hips, toes turned out, and we lower into a squat, Malasana. Press your palms together at the heart. And elbows pressing the knees a little wider. Let the tailbone release down toward the earth. Keep your chest lifted and shoulders relaxed. Take one deep breath here. Now from here, bring your hands down as we sit down on our mat. Bringing the soles of the feet together, knees fall wide. Holding both of your feet, sit tall, release your shoulders down and let the knees gently rise and fall a few times. Then inhale to lift the chest and lengthen through the spine. And on your exhale, begin to fold gently forward and let the elbows rest on the inner thighs. Let gravity do the work and take one deep breath here. Inhale to lift yourself gently up. Sit nice and tall. And now hold both of your feet with your left hand and take your right hand back behind you. Inhale tall. Exhale to rotate gently towards your right hand. Take one deep breath here. Return to center. This time holding your feet with your right hand, left hand goes back. Inhale to lift and lengthen. Exhale to twist. Just breathe. Inhale back to center. Release from the shape. Bring your both knees together and sit down in a comfortable seated position. As we come to the end of our practice, let your hands rest on your knees, keeping your spine nice and tall. Gently close your eyes. Take a moment to notice the breath, the stillness in the body, and how you feel right now. Take one deep breath in and a long exhale out. Bring your palms together at the heart and gently open your eyes. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. If this practice resonated with you today, it would mean a lot if you like this video and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Namaste.